Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Making a New Google Account. 6 easy step to step a Google account with an existing email. 21 October 2018. Set up a logout of my Gmail account. You are correctly logged in. Open accounts google.com. Step 2. Click the create account. How to create a Google account with your correct email address. How to create a Google account with your correct email address. Want to go sign up page and fill the box with your own information. Want to you how to create a new Gmail account and customize your setting. 27 October 2021. One open the Gmail app and tap the amount icon at the top right. Tap other account on the add account screen. Tap Google. How to use Gmail without a phone number. 12 July 2022. Find the mail icon top on account. Select add account. Tap Google. Tap on create account. How to create a Gmail account. Enter your mobile phone number to use can email insert tap sign up with email. Create your Google account step by step. 20 January 2020. Create a Google account step by step. 20 account your laptop and desktop. Enter your name, username and password, then click next. Verify your phone number. How to access the email Google account. Connect healthy community style. Sign in Google account, not your computer. Use guest mode to sign up privately. Learn more next. Create account. English United States Fins Arbesta. Setting up a new Google account and accessing Google DOS. Similar to the desktop version of Microsoft Office. If you do not correctly have a Google account, follow those simple steps. The create one. How to how to create how to create a Gmail account step by step guide to December 2019. If you want to create a new Google account in just a 5 simple steps, you can create. But before that, you need to sign up for a Google. Grow your business with Google. Google Ads for Business. Scale your business online. Create your account. Step a budget. Write ads. Describe where you would like it to a professional image ad. Jode. Create today for sign up. Get start Google admin. You can create a new account in second or sign up in your existing Google account to get start. Phone number. Your phone number helps products account. Tricks to create many Gmail account without mobile number verification. 2022 25 August 2022. In the Google Chrome browser, click on top icon and select View Include Window Mode and Show Include. Then Then it will display the new page and go. How to create a Gmail account, free email address, Park rank go for how to create a Gmail account, free email address, create a Gmail account address. To create Gmail account, you must have a Google account. If you already have a Google account, you just need a login to the Gmail service with your Google account username and password. Click here to login and go to the right page. Otherwise, you have create a Google account which allows you to create to Gmail account at the same time. Follow the step below. Tab of contents where we create a Google Gmail account. How to create a custom email address in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. Step 3. Step 3. Step 2. How to create a custom Gmail address in 2 minutes. Step 3. Gmail sign up tips for other question answer. Why create a Google Gmail account? Creating a Gmail account actually enables the use of many Google products and services, including Google Docs, Documents, Google Drive, Code, Strong YouTube videos, Google Map, Direction, Google Solar Search, and of course your smartphone or tablet if it is under Android. And then Gmail, a very good mail, very practical with a hub online store. mm, Store find other reason to use Gmail. If you change your mind, you can afterward delete your Gmail account. How to create a custom Gmail address in 2 minutes. Follow the text step. Go to the web page accounts.google.com. Sign up. Step 2. Find the folder first name, last name, username and password and go to the next step. Step 3. Enter your phone number to receive an activation code by SMS or voice call. Step 4. Indicate the code received. 5 step 1. Validate your achieve at a screen where it possible to remove the phone number provided if you do not want it to remain associated with your Google account. Provide a receiving recovery email address useful to secure your account. Indicate your date of birth. The month here is a mandatory. Include indicate your gender. It is mandatory to choose, but you can indicate not specified. Step 6. The last step is to approve the pro- privacy policy and terms of use. It's done a short summary into image. Step 1 it step One step is to create your Google account without forgetting to choose your Gmail address. Did you know Gmail account is optional with the Google account? You can use my correct email address instead is not the Google here. You will not have a Gmail address. Create your Google account. First name, last name, username. You can use letter number providers. Use many correct email address instead. Password, confirm password. Use 8 or more chapter with a mix of letter number symbol. Show password. One account all of Google working for you. Yes, I have installed next. Thank you very much.